Welcome to Upstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to find any app quickly on Android. Now, there are several ways to do that. For example, you can go to Settings, scroll down, press Apps, scroll through these apps to find the app you're looking for. Or you can search from here and then select the app to open it. Or you can swipe up and go through the apps and find required app from here. Easiest way is to just press three lines at the bottom left. Then press search icon. Here type the app name that you want to find. And you'll be able to see the app here. Press the app to open it. This is by far the easiest way to find any app that you're looking for in Android. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.